Good remember that's what Ralph Rolls on the numbers saying this stock. I said about the bicycle. So I don't know the call stock by this time. I can't press weird by this time. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Crazy. Let's start with Ben in North Carolina. Ben.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. How we doing?
Yo, doing well. How about you, partner?
Doing great. Doing great.
Good.
I've got a question about ticker symbol ODFL. PE ratio about 33. Trading in the lower 190s. Buy, sell, or hold?
I think Old Dominion is going to have a good year. Transports are well underperforming the S&P 500, but I do prefer the stock of Union Pacific. How about we go to Jeremy in North Carolina? Jeremy.
Is this the man of chill himself?
It is the chill man. Thank you for saying that. My kids call me chill because they know that's exactly what I am and always have been ever since they were little, and that's what I say. All right, let's get to it, okay?
Absolutely. Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
I know we don't care where a stock's been. We care where it's going. Still in a house of pain, down about 19% on this one since I purchased it a couple quarters ago. Micron, MU.
Oh, look, Micron had an amazing quarter, but believe it or not, even though it was up about 19 points that first day when they reported that quarter, 90%. I still think it's a buy. Sanjay Mehrotra is just fabulous. I love Sanjay. Wish he'd come on the show soon. I miss him. Let's go to Daniel in New York. Daniel.
Hey, Jim. How's your life going?
Well, I don't know. How's yours?
It's okay.
No, my life is good. I had a
you.
great call with my wife today. She's not mad at me. That's a good day.
Happy to hear.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
Jim, this company's a REIT. It's mainly in the business of leasing cell phone towers. Been trading poorly, I think, because of higher interest rates. American Tower, AMT.
I wish it were just interest rates. Frankly, I read a piece last night about how there is slowing tower, let's say, conversion. There are fewer towers being put up, and fewer telephone companies giving them orders. So I'm going to say it's more than that. That's why I'm going to say and I've liked the stock. I don't want you to touch American Tower. I don't want you. North Crown Castle. Let's go to Hassan in Georgia. Hassan.
Hey, Mr. Cramer, what are your thoughts on Howmet Aerospace?
Howmet is one of the greatest stocks of our time. I was thinking the other day about Alcoa and Howmet, they're under one same roof at one point. Wow, what an incredible turn. And we don't even call Howmet's so great, we don't call it Howmet. We call it How I Met My Mother. And I think that company is terrific. One of the great performers of the S&P this year, and it's going higher, I believe. Isabel in California. Isabel.
Hey, Jim, booyah. I remember watching you as a little kid with my mom being scared of how excited you got. But now as a member of the investing club, I'm going to share that excitement with you.
Thank you.
Our question is about Modine Manufacturing. It seems like it just keeps going up and up. What do you think long term?
Well, because I've got to tell you, it is in this. It's like Carrier. It's like Train. It's like Vertiv. It's like all these, like Dover that we own for the trust. It's just one of these great metal bending companies. They make heat exchangers. They make original equipment application stuff that's really boring, and we make that stuff great. And this is a fantastic American company that would buy the stock. Let's go to Amy in Maryland. Amy.
Hi, thank you for taking my call.
Sure.
First-time caller and a club member.
Oh, thank you.
I bought ADMA Biologics at $3, and it was $20 the other day, and all of a sudden today, it's down to $16. Should I sell it or keep it? And
okay, here's what you do, and you got to listen to me really closely. This is a very speculative stock. What you want to do is you want to take out the money that you put in. That's called the house's money. You take that out. You can let the rest run if you want to. I would probably split it in half because the company doesn't have any earnings. I don't like these speculative stocks that have that. I don't want to give back that profit. But at least if you take the cost basis out, you can't lose money. Let's go to Rich in Virginia. Rich.
Booyah, Jim.
Oh, man, what's up?
First time caller, relatively new investment club member, and I'm already making money.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for the tremendous insights, the really entertaining show, and my condolences on our Phillies losing last night.
It was rough. It was a rough night. Jeff Marks and I.
Yes,
it was a very rough night.
My question is about a stock that I do not own and wanted to know if you consider it a buy. It's HOOD Robinhood.
Okay, I don't like the makeup of it. They do a lot of options business and a lot of crypto. But that said, they've captured the imagination of a lot of younger people, and a lot of the older people have not been able to do it. So my hat is off to them, and I say buy the stock. Let's go to Evans in Hawaii. Evans.
Aloha, Mr. Cramer, from the big island of Hawaii.
Oh, mahalo, my friend. How can I help?
You've been the big kahuna in my financial life ever since my dad put me on your show 10 years ago. So thank you for that.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Well, many of us wait for a possible eruption here. What we really want is an eruption in CBS. Do you see that happening with recent tremors and activist investors and potential breakup?
Here's the way I feel about it. When me and Karen Lynch on, I worked for, I don't know, about 4 or 5 hours before that interview. I hit her with everything I had. I tried to be sure that this thing was going to be right. She really came back and answered every question. I think there's real value here. Do I think it's going to be able to happen quickly? It is a real turn, but I think there's real value here, and I think she's doing a good job, and people should know that's exactly how I feel. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, the CPI grabbed today's headlines, but something even bigger starts tomorrow. Cramer reveals it next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.